Hi, welcome back to Biochemistry Simplified with Dr. Onas. As a biochemistry student, I led a group project to produce cassava starch, and I'm excited to share the journey with you. In this video, I will walk you through the process from preparation to packaging. This video is a step-by-step guide of producing cassava starch. We started by purchasing a quarter bag of cassava and peeling the skin using knives. After using the cassava, we are ready to move on to the next step. Note that for large-scale production, we used a mechanical grinder, so we didn't cut the cassava. However, for small-scale production, it's recommended to cut the cassava and use a home grinder. After peeling, we ground the cassava using a mechanical grinder. The ground cassava was then sieved into another large bowl using a clean, less porous sieve. This step separated the filtrate from the sediment. The sediment is the shaft, and we discarded the shaft, focusing on the filtrate containing the starch. We left the filtrate to settle for 24 hours, that is a day, allowing the starch to accumulate at the bottom. This process is reminiscent of centrifugation, a common technique in biochemistry. So, after 24 hours, we poured off the top liquid, leaving behind the starch. I was amazed by the amount of starch produced. We then dried the starch to remove excess moisture. Finally, we packaged the starch, marking the completion of our project. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you are new to making cassava starch, I would love to hear about your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified biochemistry videos.